Kevin, phase 2.
Phase 2, well, the completion of phase 1, Ali, we're just about to start the construction of the clubhouse. As you can see, the foundation just been marked out here, so we have very lucky to have today our Minister Mc Loughlin, who's about to sink the first hole for the clubhouse, and once we get that up and running, then the boys can start piling. Contracts are due here on Wednesday. They'll get in the piles for the foundations, and then the concrete goes in after that, and hopefully Harold and Peter Conway construction will start construction and get everything ready for us in June, July.
First match in June, July.
Well, we might have a match before that, but we won't tell anyone.
What do you think?
It's a great job, isn't it?
Well,
There's been waiting a long time for it. There's some bit of ground.
yeah.
It's amazing.
In there.
It's amazing the size of the area.
Oh yeah, if you walk up the top.
But I didn't realise the day we planted the trees how big it was.
It's a long walk.
It's a long walk, and it just shows you, and it's great. This, the two pictures there are fabulous.
And which ground is in this bit?
There's almost 4.5 acres or 4 point something acres in this
On
area
this,
here.
and this grass bit, the new bit.
This is grass pitch, yeah.
Kevin, how many feet of fill went in there? Because we're just seeing how.
Right, didn't it?
How many
good
feet? About
A
3 or
good
4
feet.
foot.
It was about
I mean depth-wise.
depth-wise on this.
Yeah.
The pitch is built to about, say, there's 18 inches of soil that's drained and levelled across that way. Then the pitch is on top of that again, so there's about 6 or 8 inches more that's drained that way. So the bottom layer of drainage goes across that way, and the top layer of drainage goes down there. So every 5 metres there's a drain going across the pitch, taking it off, and every metre coming this way. So the water basically has a metre by 5 metres long to escape, so that's why it's so dry.
That's why there's no water on it.
There's no water, and there hasn't been any water on it since they put it up.
Yeah.
Hasn't even been a sign of water, so they're due back on shortly after Paddy's Day, whenever weather dependent, for the first 6 or 7 cuts, which will take the grass off it.
Yeah.
Get rid of the grass, then they change machines and they just cut it and keep topping it, and that can be how we call match level.
Yeah.
They have a depth of the grass, and height of the grass to cut, so they let it grow maybe 3 or 4 millimetres above that and just keep topping it.
Okay.
They mulch it and leave it on, so that's left on the pitch.
Fertilise itself then.
Self-fertilise. They will fertilise it as well now, but as you
Yeah.
can see, it's good and green, so just started fertilising it just before we got the bad weather.
Yeah.
So it worked out well for us. The bad weather came, we'll give the fertiliser long enough to wait on the grass, and then it washed it in, and so it's give it a shot then. So as you can see, it's, if you had this green grass at home in the garden, you'd be like this. 6-month build. So this is January, so you're looking at June, maybe July, before we have full use of the pitches and full use of the clubhouse. But we'll possibly have matches on this before the clubhouse is complete, but it won't be official. We'll just maybe have a few matches, see how it stands up to wear and tear, and we have to mark out the pitches and see exactly where we want to move them, where we can play them. So this, we're standing on the main pitch. So as you can see, roughly around that area there, we're nearly on the halfway line of the first pitch. So the clubhouse will be there, so there's a club room just there on that side. For on a rainy day you can sit inside the clubhouse and we'll look out at the matches. Yeah. But the clubhouse is built in such a way that it'll be on the same level as the pitches when they come out, so we'll be just walking into the dressing room from there. The youth dressing room will be on that side, so we'll have access to all pitches from the middle of the clubhouse, which is in the middle of the site. And all car parking available all there and behind the clubhouse as well.
Where's press facilities, Kevin?
Pardon?
Where are press facilities now?
They're on the roof, we just haven't completed. Talk to the boss.
Well, it should be. None. Imagine having press facilities for a junior match. You'd ruin it.
You wouldn't be able to hear the comments then on the sideline, the constructive criticism on the sideline.